Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Luxalgo. Luxalgo is an AI platform that lets you build and deploy your own trading indicators, powered by some legendary tools and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their own premium indicators in the past on my channel. Go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to Luxalgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 50% off their premium features. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Luxalgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at 10,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So, Robinhood had a pretty insane week this week. As you can see here, their stock is up over 28% in the last week. Why? Because they kept announcing new feature after new feature this week. And these aren't small features. These are very exciting and basically game-changing features. So let's take a quick look here. So if we go over to Twitter here, first of all, we can see here that they announced the Trump Accounts app. So this is an app that's now available on iOS and Android. And this is where you will be able to access the new Trump account, which is a new type of tax advantaged investment account. And so you can read here how it works, but they announced this. This app is live, you can download it and you can access it. Now, if we keep scrolling here, we can see the next big thing that they announced was this right here. So they announced Agentic cards. So Robinhood Agentic credit cards allow you to connect an AI agent to a secure virtual card so it can independently find, book, or purchase items like flights and retail products on your behalf. And then if we scroll down further, they also announced this right here. And this is what we're going to talk about here today. So they announced agentic trading accounts. So with this, we are going to be able to connect an AI agent to a new type of account called the agentic account on Robinhood. And this AI agent will be able to explore trading ideas. It will be able to build and rebalance our portfolios, program custom tools, and place trades for us. So where can we find this new option? So let's head on over to Robinhood. Let's talk about that here next. Now, please follow me on Twitter, by the way. I'll put a link to my Twitter in the description below. So if you go back to Robinhood here, keep in mind, this is a feature that is rolling out, meaning not everyone has access to it yet. So if you don't see this feature yet, keep that in mind. But if we take a look at the top here, right, there's multiple different tabs at the top. Take a look. There should be a new tab here if you have access to it. It says Agentic, and then there's this beta to the right of it. Now, when you first click on this new tab here, you should see something that looks like this. So if you take a look here at the top, again, it says Agentic beta. And then if we read here, first it says let your agent trade. So you'll be able to connect to an AI agent and it can analyze the markets and trade for you. It also talks about safety. That's very important when you're letting an AI agent trade for you. So this is why you have to create a new account, again called the Agentic trading account, because that way you can put as much money as you're comfortable in that account for the AI agent to have access to. It'll separate it from the rest of your portfolio. You also can track every move. So you'll get notified when the agent trades. You can monitor the performance in the app as well. And then it'll have instructions here on how to connect your AI agent. So first, it'll give you the MCP link that you'll need to copy and provide to whatever platform you go with. And then below that, it gives you different AI platform instructions here. So you can use Claude Code, Claude Desktop. That's actually what I used, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. ChatGPT, Codex, Codex CLI, and Cursor. And again, it has instructions here. There's also a link that you'll be able to click to learn more about connecting your agent. And once you've done that, after you do that, you'll be able to connect your AI agent. It'll prompt you to create this new Agentic trading account. And then after that, once you go back into this tab, now you'll actually see your Agentic trading account here. So notice the name of the account is Agentic. That was done by Robinhood. They provided that name. It'll prompt you when you create this account to deposit money if you'd like. So I'm starting off with $1,000. That's why it says 1,000. And I just opened this up, by the way, a few hours ago. And then notice again, there's this beta button here to the right. So if we click on it, it'll tell us there are some limitations right now. So right now, the AI agent will only be able to trade equity. So it's not gonna be able to trade options for you, trade crypto, prediction markets. Those will probably come later. But right now it's only equity. So stocks, ETFs, things like that. You'll be able to view your other Robinhood accounts, analyze equity prices, and then again, they'll be adding more features and asset classes soon. And then if we take a look here below the account, you can see, right, again, I connected to Claude Desktop. So we see Claude here. And from here, we can disconnect this agent anytime we want. So again, that goes back to the safety feature that we just saw. So let me actually quickly show you what this looks like from Claude Desktop here. So here I am on Claude Desktop. And as you can see here, I've connected my agent here to the URL that Robinhood provided. So this is going to give this agent the ability to communicate with this MCP server. So you can see here Robinhood Agent, and that's what I named it. You will be able to name it whatever you'd like. And so if we take a look here to the right, it's asking me for tool permissions. So these are the tools that my AI agent has access to. This is what exists on the MCP server that Robinhood is hosting, that this URL points to. And so a tool is basically an action that the AI agent can take, something that it can do. And these all align with what Robinhood has told us so far. So cancel equity order, it'll be able to cancel an order. Get accounts, it'll be able to get your accounts. It'll be able to get your orders. And again, as you can see, right, like Robinhood mentioned, this is only for equities right now. So it's being very specific. Get equity orders, get your positions, get quotes, get tradability, get portfolio. It'll be able to place an order for you, again, for equities, review an order for you for equities, and then there's also search. So you can see at the right here on Claude Desktop, you can modify the permissions here. So choose when Claude is allowed to use these tools. So you can say it needs approval to use a tool, or always allowed to use a tool, or you can block any of these that you want here. This is what it looks like again from Claude Desktop. Again, very fast to set up. It probably took me under 3 minutes to set this whole thing up, to download Claude Desktop, connect it to this MCP URL, and create the Agentic account here. So let's go back here to Robinhood now. So let's quickly take a look here at some more documentation, just very quickly here. So if you go to their help center, they do have this new agentic trading and card section. And so if you go to this agentic trading overview, again, it talks more about a lot of the things we've already discussed. So what can your agent do? Again, I just showed you the tools that are currently available, but it can, build portfolios, automate trading strategies, adjust your portfolio, analyze your portfolio, analyze market data. And it kind of gives you some examples as well that you can think of. For example, you can automate a trading strategy, something like buy a certain amount of a certain stock every time the price goes down, 2% or more in however many days, right? So it kind of gives you some ideas on how you could potentially use this new feature. It does go over risks involved. So it tells you what your agent can access. It can access all your accounts, the details about your positions and balances, and the details about your transactions, including order history. But keep in mind, your agent can only place trades in your Robinhood Agentic account. Connecting your AI agent. So it also, again, has instructions here on how to connect using different platforms. Again, I used Claude Desktop. That's what I just showed you guys. But again, it has instructions for Claude Code, ChatGPT, Codex, Codex CLI, Cursor, and other platforms as well. And then it also goes over opening the account. So a couple important things to note here. So for investing purposes, you can have up to 10 self-directed individual investing accounts. And your agentic account is included in those 10 self-directed individual investing accounts. So to open this account, you do have to have a primary individual investing account that's in good standing. And again, complete the onboarding to connect to the Robinhood MCP server. And again, after you do that, it'll prompt you to open up this new account. Very quick, very easy. And then there's some more stuff here about troubleshooting. So there you guys have it. This is Robinhood's new agentic trading feature. I am excited to set this up and update you guys on how the AI agent performs trading on my behalf. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.